Hi guys, GP here of BudgetTECHph, and today we have a special unboxing and quick review episode here. And I know guys, this is not a budget phone and this is nowhere near a budget phone, but this is a new gadget that comes with a new technology and I think I need to share it with you guys. So let's all take a closer look at the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Okay, I have the Prism Black with me, but there are two more colors of this, the Prism White and the Prism Green. And I ordered this during the pre-order week, and because of that, I was able to get a bunch of freebies. Let me just show it to you guys. We have the Galaxy Buds right here, and the wireless charger dual pad. I might do a separate video for this one, so watch out for it. And let's go back to this phone. Let me just open this up. Okay, the first thing you'll see, guys, is the phone itself. Look at that. Let me just put this away first. Okay, we have the fast charger right here, the USB adapter, the USB Type-C cable, and we have our earphones right here. So at the back of this cover, we have additional box. We have our SIM tray ejector right here, and quick start guide, warranty card, and we have our free jelly case or a free hard plastic case. Okay guys, let me just give you a quick tour around the phone. Okay, we still have our earphone jack right here and USB Type-C port, our speaker grill, and right here we have our power button, and on the other side we have our volume rocker and the Bixby button, and on top we have our SIM tray. For the display, we have a 6.3-inch dynamic AMOLED Infinity O display. And this is the brightest display that you can get in any smartphone right now. As you can see, there's no notch, but there's a punch hole right here where the camera is located. Maybe that's the reason they called it the Infinity O display. And the protection of this screen is the Gorilla Glass 6. For the OS, this one is using One UI on top of Android 9.0 Pie. This is the latest from Samsung. Personally, I really like it since it's more smooth and stable. And let's talk about the specs inside this phone. This phone is powered by the Samsung Exynos 9820 octa-core CPU, while the GPU is the Mali G76 MP12. This one has a 128GB of internal storage and 8GB of RAM, and it has 4100 mAh battery. And speaking of battery, let's talk about some of the features of this phone. And let's start with the power sharing. I know you've seen this on a Huawei phone a couple months back, but it's a nice addition to the Galaxy S10. You can charge your wearable devices or charge wireless charging capable phones. The second feature that we will talk about is the in-display fingerprint scanner. I know this is not something new. Vivo and OnePlus released smartphone with in-display fingerprint scanner, but they use the optical fingerprint sensor. So basically, they use light to scan and create 2D image of your fingerprint and then analyze it. Well, the Galaxy S10 Plus uses the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, which uses sounds to scan and create 3D image of your fingerprint, which makes it more secure and accurate. And lastly, let's talk about the camera or the cameras. This phone has 5 cameras on it, so let's start with the front camera. You have 10 megapixel dual pixel camera and an 8 megapixel with depth sensor. At the back, you have your triple camera setup. First is a 12 megapixel dual pixel with OIS. Second is a 12 megapixel telephoto 2x optical zoom with OIS. And lastly, a 16 megapixel ultra wide camera. Here are some sample clips and features from the Galaxy S10 Plus. This phone is packed with the best technology that you can get on a smartphone right now. From the camera, display, and the new in-display fingerprint scanner, this one is a very impressive premium phone. I think that's it, guys. And once again, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you like this video, please do give us a thumbs up. And don't forget that notification bell as well. I'll see you guys next time.